ooh, like we need to hit the gym. Morning, welcome back to another weekly vlog and back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I'm Madeling. I love you. Anyways, listen guys, if you are a die-hard follower of my vlogs, then you know, and you may have noticed, it's been a week. I don't care. I don't care. I have been so busy and so just, let me sit down, because even today, I don't really think I have a lot to just sit around. I don't have much time. So hi, how y'all been? It's been a long time. No, but seriously, today I am taking out the, matter of fact, let me just show you guys. I'm cleaning. I'm about to wipe the counters, sweep them up, and I also got out the holiday box. Anyways, y'all get the point. Listen, Christmas is in here on top, and I think Halloween is on the bottom. But I know I can't be the only one that's excited for Christmas. Like, I think after Halloween, I'm probably gonna start putting up Christmas stuff. I'm just gonna be real. And the day that Christmas trees come out, I'm ordering one and we're gonna get it. Look at the beautiful view. That's why I keep looking this way. I should probably not vlog over here, because every time I'm vlogging, like I'm supposed to be looking at y'all, but I'm just like, wow, look at this view. Anyways, I just thought I would check in quick. I will vlog this weekend. I promise, I'm making a promise to you, I'm gonna vlog this weekend, because I know I've been so bad about forgetting my camera and not vlogging. So I'm gonna vlog this weekend, and then whatever I do, I'm bring y'all along with me. So toodles. I'm in this position, I'm scared to let somebody in. No, you know how this shit go. You got your fair share. We came to bring Drina to get some boba, because she's like obsessed with boba. She's getting this one. I got mango green tea with boba. What do you want, Sapphire? You want ice cream? Yeah. Okay, tell Daddy. Say, Daddy, want ice cream, please? Ice cream. Daddy. Yes. Ice cream. Ice cream. Please. Okay. She knows how to eat ice cream. It's really good. We're gonna do ice cream there.
Have grown so tired of the same old. I'm very sorry for the inconvenience, sir.
Hello guys, I'm currently editing the vlog for you. I'm going to get it up to you guys today, and what we're not going to do is talk about how choppy it is. Why is the vlog 5 seconds, Madeling? It's been 2 weeks, Madeling. We're not gonna do that, because listen, I have got for you guys what I could give, okay? And I need to put this down, matter of fact, because oh my goodness, whew, I'm still trying to catch my breath. So being 1000% transparent with you guys, I I was like, I need to do an outro, film an outro super quick, and then I realized my camera's downstairs and the tripod is downstairs, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna film it on my phone, like whatever. So I'm sitting here with my camera, like, oh yeah, I was facing this way, so I'm recording and I'm talking to myself for like good 5 minutes, and then I see the reflection on the iMac, and it's not facing me. The camera is literally facing the computer. So I'm like, if you don't stop being lazy and just go downstairs and get your camera and tripod so you can film a 2-second outro. Yeah, and then my vlogs are usually an hour or two, and I just condense them, edit it down for you guys. This vlog is saying 9 minutes. Like, it's really sad. But I had storage problems on my iMac. I had storage problems on my SD card. My external hard drive is dead. So I gotta figure out how I can, like, bring, you know, some of that old stuff back or save it, because it's not even turning on. So I'm literally like starting fresh. Like, if I was just a brand new YouTuber, no, like, nothing is saved. I only have my outro and my intro that I saved, and I managed to do that within like 2 seconds before the external hard drive died. So it's been like, behind the scenes, it's been crazy. It has been crazy, and I'm still trying to catch my breath from running downstairs. Sorry, I have not been working out. Like, I literally looked down and I said, ooh, like, we need to hit the gym. It is not giving. Anywho, enjoy the vlog. I'll see y'all soon.
What's your dream? I love holding you when we're sleeping.
I love holding you when we're sleeping.